How to fix an invisible zipper to your dress. So I'm going to show you two ways how to fix with the normal foot and with the zipper foot. If you're interested, let's get started. So here I have two fabric. I'm going to be fixing the invisible zipper using the normal foot, the normal sewing foot, and for the other fabric I'm going to be fixing the zipper using the zipper foot. So the first thing you want to do is cut out the fabric you want, and then you can go ahead and attach an interfacing on the part you are going to fix the zipper. Attaching an interfacing is optional, is not a must, is optional. You can decide to, you can decide not to. So here on the sewing machine, we are going to be fixing the zipper using the normal sewing foot first. Your normal sewing foot. I'm making use of manual machine. That means you can use any machine to do that. So this is an invisible foot or the zipper foot. So I'm going to be using it for the second outfit. But for this green outfit or this green fabric, we are going to be using the normal foot. So I'll just go ahead, pin it down and sew the down part. So I've gone ahead to sew the down part. So this opening is where I'm going to be attaching my zipper. You can go ahead and mark 1 inch for your zipper allowance. So this is my zipper now. So this is how you want to place it. Keep your zip like this and turn it the other way around. Then you sew. So you can mark 1 inch for your sewing allowance. Let me show you again. Keep your zipper like this, then flip it to the other side. The zipper should be on your sewing allowance, the 1 inch sewing allowance. So as you flip it like that, you want to first sew it. So this first sewing is just to secure the zipper to the fabric. We are still going to sew it again, so you just go ahead and sew it first. Please, if you want to achieve this zipper very well, you have to sew it down to the fabric before proceeding to sewing the second one. So this second one now, let me show you. So I've sewn the first stitch, so you're going to open it. Do you see the way I'm opening the zipper? Then you're going to sew very close to the line, but not on the zipper teeth, very close to the line. So you want to open the zip up well. As you are sewing, you're going to be using your finger to open it up. This part is very tricky. You have to make sure you open the zipper up well and then sew on the line that you can see, or very close to that line, but don't sew on the zipper teeth. If you are sewing this, you are fixing this zip for the very first time, you have to take your time to do that. You have to be patient enough to do that. So you want to, sew to the very end and back stitch. If I close it, you can see the zipper is already closed. So that is how to do it. So you want to flip the zipper to the other side like this, and then also secure this part. If you want to get this right, you have to sew it down first, then go ahead and open up the zipper well, and then you start sewing, and you have to be gentle about it, especially if you are sewing for the very first time. You can see, let me show you how I did it. Sew it down like this. Then for this part, I'm going to flip it to the down part. As you can see, I started from the down part, so it will be easier for me. Then I'm going to be opening the zip with my finger, opening it up and sewing very close to that line, very close, but make sure you don't sew on the zipper teeth. And then you are going to be patient and sew it to the very end. So after I'm done, I'll just go ahead and close. Can you see that? So this is what I have. So the next one is to sew the second one using the zipper foot. So I'm going to remove the normal foot and then use the zipper foot. But before I do so, I'll just go ahead and join this and sew it down like just the way we did for the green fabric. Sew the down part before fixing the zipper. So after I'm done sewing and joining the down part, I'm going to remove my normal foot and then add the invisible foot. Can you see it? Or the zipper foot. I think they call it zipper foot. So you want to adjust it. So I'm going to grab my zip, and then the same method for that green one is the same thing you are going to be doing for this one. The same thing. So this is how to put your zip. Flip it, go ahead, sew the first one, then sew the second one. So the invisible zipper foot or the zipper foot is going to help you sew very close to the line. Like it will be easier for you to sew on that line compared to using the zipper, the normal foot. So that's the reason. So that's the reason for the zipper foot. It will make you sew it very close to the line. So I'll just go ahead and sew and show you the final result. So this is the final result. The same way I sewed the green one is the same process for this one. So I don't want this video to be too long. The only difference is that I used the normal foot for this one and the invisible foot for the other one. And as you can see, I feel the invisible zipper on is more closed than this. What do you think? Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. I hope you learned something. Kindly leave your questions in the comment section and see you in the next video. Till then, bye.